Ever feel like traditional banking takes forever? You know the drill. Stacks of paperwork, appointments that take all day, and who even remembers the last time you saw a teller smile? If you're a freelancer, contractor, or small business owner, this slow-motion banking just doesn't cut it. You need something faster, something built for the way you work, and that's where Tide comes in. But before we dive into the awesome world of digital business banking, let's get real. How long does it actually take to open a Tide account? Because ain't nobody got time to wait around. Here's the thing, unlike traditional banks that seem stuck in the dial-up era, Tide boasts a lightning-fast online application process. We're talking minutes, folks, not months. Intrigued? Buckle up, because we're about to break down exactly how fast you can be up and running with a Tide account. Now, speed is great, but let's be honest, sometimes things get a little complicated. Maybe your business structure is unique, or perhaps you're just having a case of the Mondays and accidentally entered your birthday wrong. Hey, it happens. So, what happens then? Does the 10-minute promise go out the window? Not quite. While the majority of Tide accounts are approved and operational in a flash, we're talking over 50% in under 10 minutes, there are some scenarios where things might take a tad longer. But even then, you're not looking at weeks or months of waiting. Here's the deal. The super speedy sailors, 53%, these are the rock stars, the efficiency champions who can navigate the Tide application process with their eyes closed. Well, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. If you have all your ducks in a row, business details, ID, the whole shebang, congratulations. You'll be sailing the smooth seas of digital banking in under 10 minutes. The efficient admirals, 70%, not quite record-breaking speed, but still pretty darn impressive. This group falls within the under 1 hour mark. They might need a document or two verified, but that's a breeze with Tide's online system. The smooth operators, 81%, all right, so these folks might take a smidge longer than an hour, but we're still talking within 48 hours. There could be a few more hoops to jump through depending on your business setup, but fear not, even the most complex applications are light years faster than traditional banking. Now, the key takeaway here is that speed is king with Tide. We understand that your time is valuable, and we don't want to waste a single second. But even if your application needs a bit more TLC, you'll still be up and running significantly faster than the traditional banking route. Here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a streamlined, digital banking experience built for freelancers and small businesses, Tide is the answer. With an application process that can be completed in as little as 10 minutes, you'll be saying goodbye to banking delays and hello to a world of financial freedom. So, what are you waiting for? Ditch the outdated banking system and join the Tide revolution. Your business and your sanity will thank you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.